Let's take a look up close and personal on the Atlas i8 and see how we take control. Around the front we have the main driver array and the base port, and the Antelope Audio logo with its power status LED. Then around the back we have the main inputs, controls and colour display, as well as the IEC power input and power switch. Atlas i8 offers analog inputs via balanced TRS jack or XLR. We have an in and a through AES EBU XLR for digital connectivity, and a USB Type-A socket. This is for software and firmware updates, and will later be for a remote control for the Atlas i8. It's worth noting that the AES digital input bypasses the interface A to D conversion, effectively reducing unwanted artifacts that could come from the analog connection. We then have the control, push and rotate encoder, and the small yet mighty colour display. Simply twisting the encoder allows you to change the volume of the Atlas i8, and pushing it once mutes the monitor. Push and hold the controller and you enter the main menu with its controls for input source, be that analog or digital, and the sample rate, all important when we're connecting digitally. We can adjust the analog input level, we can put the speaker into two-way mode, which applies a low cut filter, removing the super low end, so you can use the Atlas i8 for reference. This mode could also be used alongside a dedicated subspeaker. We can turn the bass extension on or off. This is a way to enhance the bass coming from the Atlas i8 if your room sounds a little bass light, or you want a more impressive bass end in your listening space, give this a try. We then have access to the 4-band EQ with frequency selection and gain adjustment for each band. Use the 4-band EQ to improve the sound in your listening space. Atlas i8's frequency response is by default neutral, but often room acoustics can cause boosts or dips in the spectrum, which can be compensated for from within the speaker. We then have a delay, so we can perfectly time align speakers in a multiple speaker system like Dolby Atmos or Auro 3D. We then have the ability to save and reload presets. Preset saving can be very handy, allowing you to keep different configurations and recall them in different listening scenarios. We can change the screensaver time, and we can reset back to the factory settings, and find out the speaker info, including serial number and current hardware and firmware versions. The 18mm thick European manufactured and hand assembled cabinet is both sturdy and vibration free. To reduce resonances, the cabinet design incorporates extra ribs at key positions within the enclosure. The cabinet volume and the bass reflex port have been calculated to perfectly match the characteristics and needs of the two 8-inch woofers in order to achieve optimal frequency and phase response in the low end. The front positioning of the bass reflex port also eliminates drawbacks associated with positioning the i8 close to walls or corners. Antelope Audio have taken a minimalistic visual approach with a stylish black and vintage green colourway to finish Atlas i8's stunning yet simple external design. But what you really want to know is, how do they sound? Well, I could sit here and tell you they sound great. The low end is solid and not sloppy, the mids are clean and not muddy, and the top is bright and detailed, all of which is true. The stereo image is also great with a wide sweet spot. However, the only real way to know how they sound is for you to hear the new Atlas i8 monitors for yourself. So get yourself along to an Antelope Audio dealer near you and have a listen to the new Atlas i8 monitors. And once you've done that, leave a comment down there below this video and let the Antelope Audio community know exactly what you thought. I'm quite sure you won't be disappointed. So I really hope you found that useful. For more information on the Antelope Audio Atlas i8 speakers and the full range of Antelope Audio hardware and software, please check out antelopeaudio.com. But for now, my name's James Ivey and I'll see you again very soon.